How to play Red Dead Online with mods new 2025. Most people get this wrong, but playing Red Dead Online with mods in 2025 is possible if you follow the correct precautions. You won't believe the custom experiences you can add to the game. First, ensure your game is fully updated and backed up. Mods can interfere with official game files, so creating a separate installation folder or backup is essential. Next, find reliable mod sources. Only use trusted communities or websites to avoid malware. Popular mods include custom horses, outfits, weapons, and quality of life enhancements. Install the mods using the recommended method, usually via a mod manager or by copying files to the game's directory. Avoid overwriting core online files. Instead, use mods designed specifically for Red Dead Online. Launch the game in a separate offline mode first to test compatibility. Ensure the mods don't cause crashes or conflicts. Once confirmed, you can use private lobbies to enjoy the mod content without risking bans in public servers. Finally, stay updated. Mod developers often release patches to keep compatibility with the latest game updates. Always follow the community guidelines and avoid using mods that give unfair advantages in public play. In conclusion, playing Red Dead Online with mods in 2025 involves backing up files, using trusted mods, testing offline, and playing responsibly in private sessions. With care, you can enjoy a customized Wild West experience safely.